Thanks, Robert. Today's demo is on Power Virtual Agents. You may also know them as chatbots or simply bots. What they are automated programs that conduct normal language conversations by text or voice input. There are many benefits to having a Power Virtual Agent. They solve business problems. So if you need to interact with customers without necessarily having a member of staff having to do certain tasks, such as answering certain simple questions, helping people order items, booking things, or providing a quote, then the Power Virtual Agent could be your answer. It's very quick to start and building one of these Power Virtual Agents. There's little coding required, and it allows you to have natural, rich conversations between customers or your own staff with these Power Virtual Agents. They also can be linked in other systems. So if you have an order entry system, you can lead people through the virtual agent to order something through it, or if you need to book leave, so it can interact with your HR system. There's a lot of opportunities here to use Power Virtual Agents. As you can see, there are many popular online retailers use a bot, and in this case, it can help you with getting orders done. Other bots can actually disguise themselves as a help button, and as soon as you click on help, up pops a virtual agent, and that can help you with your booking your holidays or changing them or getting a refund, etc. How easy is it? To start building a chatbot, all you have to do is go to this URL, just like I'm about to show you right now. So all we have to do is that URL I just posted will lead you straight to this website. It's a very easy to guide through process. All we have to do is start and wait for some screens from Microsoft to load up. So the very first screen will be helping you get started by asking you to log in, or if you don't have an account with Microsoft, you can create one. So through here, you just hit next, and it will do things like confirm that it is indeed me that's signing in to create my first bot. And once it goes through, it will go through the sign up process. Very, very simple. Excuse the lag from Microsoft, that will happen. And get started, and it will just guide you through a very easy process to getting started with your bot. Here we go. So we have a introductory screen that says, what do you want to call your bot? Well, you can call it Java, Siri even. Today we're just going to call it TryBot. So we're going to tell it to speak English and that we're in Australia. And I'm just going to create. Now, what will happen is it may take up to 15 minutes to create your bot. Now, this may seem a little long, but if you think about it, a lot of these chatbots, sometimes you need to hire a developer, and it sometimes may take days or weeks. Here we go. It's popping up soon. And here we go. So what you can do is we can explore the bot. So this is what it looks like. It's already ready to go. So all we have to do is interact with it. So for instance, I can say hello, and some of the system has already been integrated. So you will say that it starts telling you, hi, I'm a virtual agent. I can help you with account questions, orders, store information, and more. So if you'd like to speak to a human agent, let me know at any time. So to keep going, it will even guide you things like store hours, and you can get interaction. Now, how does it know how to do this? Well, it is reliant on things known as topics. Topics are how you, as the operator of this bot, could imagine some of what are the conversation points that you want to have with your customers. So it could be things like when you are open, when you are closed, what you want to buy. So for instance, I want to buy laptops in here. So once we do that, it knows through this topics that it needs to do something. Then the other part of this is known as entities, and entities are simply ways that the bot or the Power Virtual Agent can gather information. So anything from your name to your email address and phone number, as you are working with the bot, it can actually collect all this information so that when it comes time to passing it off to another system or just having a nice conversation with you, it will bring back some of this data that is collected and make the whole experience very, very social. And analytics, you can keep an eye on the performance of your bot, see what people are actually using through your bot, satisfaction ratings, sessions timing, and all sorts of other good stuff, basically on how well performing your bot is for your business, for example. And of course, once you've actually happy with your bot, or if you're ready to share it, you can actually publish your bot. So what you can do is you can publish it to various things called channels. And channels can be anything from Facebook to Teams, a mobile app, or even another website. So what we might do is a demo website. So if we just click on that, you will notice that a lovely looking presentable website for your customers to try will actually pop up. So I want to buy a laptop. And it will actually go through the process. To clarify, did you mean blah? I'm happy to place your order to what state? Now, it's in its infancy, this bot, because there's obviously some sample data and sample topics put in place. But as you can see, this is how you can start to create a bot in the space of less than 10 minutes. And what we will do now is I will hand over to Andrew, who will show you that we can extend the use of these bots to solve the actual business problems. And he will show you the case of one business problem that can be easily solved with Power Virtual Agents.